A meeting at Bilawal House, Karachi. PEESA Karachi Secretary Nasir Imran Bakhshi meets Lal Bakhsh Bhutto and Anila Ansari. Discussion on promotion of digital media and co-curricular activities. Karachi, report, Nasir Imran Bakhshi, Information Secretary and Digital Media Head of the People's Education Employees Association, PEESA, Sindh Karachi, held a meeting at Bilawal House Karachi, RCCBH, with respected Mr. Lal Bakhsh Bhutto and Ms. Anila Ansari. The meeting focused on the promotion, significance, and effective utilization of digital media, information networking, and co-curricular activities.